Crocodiles have existed for over 200 million years, unchanged, unstoppable, and perfectly designed for survival. Eyes that see beneath the surface, nostrils that breathe while submerged, every sense is fine-tuned for hunting. The crocodile does not chase. It waits, motionless, patient, until the perfect moment. In a fraction of a second, it strikes with incredible power. Bones break. Escape is impossible. Despite their fearsome nature, crocodiles care for their young. A deadly predator and a protective parent. Ancient, powerful, unforgiving. Crocodiles are the living fossils of the wild.
Silent, deadly, eternal. The crocodile playing ruler of the river.